So hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today in this video I discuss about Usdt earning platform. So guys, this platform link in my description box. So let's go and click the registration link and open this platform. Check this one. This is the interface of this platform. So guys, first of all, registration account, you need to put your email address and login password and confirm password. Here you need to put your transaction password and fill up your invitation code in my description box. So yeah, now you need to put your telegram number. So guys, then click the simply register now button. So guys, after registration process will be complete, check this is the latest announcement of this platform. So guys, you can read it, then click the close button, and here you can see this is the interface of this platform, and you can check VIP section. I already purchased VIP 1. My per day income is a 3.66 USDT, and you can check VIP 2. Their price is 151 USDT and per day income is a 30 USDT. So you can check VIP 3. Their price 311 USDT and per day income is a 83.66 USDT. So you can check all VIP level, their price and also daily income. So guys, now know about the recharge process, how to recharge. So you need to click the recharge button, then copy this address and go to your cryptocurrency wallet. So guys, this is my wallet. So you need to put your, so you need to click the USD button, send button, and paste the address, click the next button and fill up your rechargeable amount. After recharge done, you need to click the submit button, and after recharge done, so now you need to complete your total task for task. You need to click here and click the submit button, and here you can see my first order is done. So you need to click submit button, and here you can see my, so guys, now you can check my total task is done. And now know about the rule section. This is the company profile, and this is the rule, company rule, so you can read it. And now know about the team section. So guys, now know about the team section. This is the second way opening. So you need to copy this address and share your friend family. If your friend join and recharge, second get very good profit and get very good commission. And here you can see team section, there are 3 levels: team A, team B, team C. So guys, you can make your own team and get very good profit and get very good commission. And now know about the withdraw process, how to withdraw. So guys, this is a very easy process. You need to click the withdraw button, and here you need to put your withdraw method, and now you need to put your wallet address and password. So guys, here you can see my withdraw address is successfully added. So guys, now you need to put your withdrawable amount, password and withdraw method. So guys, now you can check now you need to click the submit button, and here you can see my withdrawal successful done. So guys, withdrawal receive time is a 1-2 minutes, so I'm waiting 1-2 minutes. Okay, so guys, here you can see I have received a 3.36 USDT. This is the live withdrawal proof of this platform, so you can check I have received 3.66 USDT. So guys, this platform link in my description box. So let's go and click the description link and use this platform. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.